Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I will explain how to install a Kenwood head unit radio CD player Bluetooth model DPX5000BTIT at home. I uninstalled this head unit from my car a few weeks ago because I replaced it with a new head unit. The head unit still looks smooth and clean, sturdy and made of quality materials. This is head unit designed by Japanese people, which is made in Indonesia as entertainment media in the Toyota car cabin. Maybe there are friends who need help on how to install it at home so that there are no mistakes in the connecting the cables. Before you watch this video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss other interesting videos. Check it out. First, prepare two male sockets with 4 and 9 cables. You can buy this in online stores. Insert the male socket, which is wire 9 and 4 wires, into the female socket. The cable color in each country may be different. Please read the wiring diagram in the order. Cut 13 pieces of 3 mm diameter heat shrink, approximately 3 cm long. You can also use other electrical insulation. Then insert the 13 heat shrink into the 13 wires in the male socket. The price of heat shrink is very cheap and easy to get on the market. Strip the end of 13 wires with stripping plier, or you can use a knife. Prepare 13 pieces of Y-type cable lock and insert the end of the 9 strands of cable into the hole of the cable lock. If you don't find the cable lock, you can choose another one by removing the insulation. Solder all the cable locks. Try to place it a bit high so that the tin can enter the cable lock hole. I used a heatsink to help make it higher. I don't know if this soldering result is better or not. Slide the 13 pieces of heat shrink toward the cable lock to cover the area. Make sure it covers everything so the insulation looks neat and nice. Take the heatsink from earlier and then place it under the cable. Insert the cable one by one into the heatsink pin, with the end of the cable positioned higher. Take a hot gun, plug it into an electrical socket, and turn it on. Then direct the heat onto the cable lock until it is evenly distributed so that you can see that the heat shrink has shrunk. To turn on the head unit, we need to use the ACC contact. If at home, we need a switch to connect the ACC. Therefore, we need 2 strands of wire and 4 cable lock to connect them to the terminal and to the switch for on or off operation. I have a way to connect the cables. This is the best way. It requires 2 heatsinks, and then this is used as a holder for of 2 cables. Then the end of the cables are joined and then soldered. Sometimes I also use this gas lighter to make my work easier. This is the terminal block, which I will label each pin for the front left and right speaker and the rear left and right speakers. This naming aims to make easier to connect the cable to the terminal so that errors do not occur during the connection. We only need sticky label paper, a pen or maybe a ruler. It might not look very neat, but this naming is very helpful in the connection process. The next step is to connect the head unit pins to the terminal block according to the naming that we gave earlier. Tighten the ball for the terminal as necessary. Do not over-tighten, as this will damage the ball thread. And it is best to check the switch for this ACC first, with an ohmmeter to avoid unwanted error later. The final step is to connect the power supply and cables to the speakers. And let's listen together to what kind of sound of head unit produce.